In this session, I wanted to cover more on our shift rounding rules, or the time rounding for the clock in, clock out. If you look at my scheduler, I do have a couple of schedules that have been assigned to different users. I'm going to edit a schedule that has not been clocked into because only those schedules can be edited. We do not allow you to edit any schedule that has data already captured against it. The way this works is you simply go ahead and click on edit, and you would be able to see the rounding rules out here. I do have a couple of rules, but for the sake of this demo, let me just go ahead and create a new rule. And all I do is I just give a rule name, so I can call it rule 3, for example. I can add this rule in, and you'll see that the rule is now updated. And for each rule, I do have the option of time rounding, which is every clock in, clock out gets rounded to the nearest 15, 10, 5, or 30 minutes. And we have the option of early punch in rounding, late punch in rounding, early punch out rounding, and late punch out rounding. A simple example for this is going to be if you've set it to 30 minutes and the shift starts at 9 o'clock and they've clocked in at 9:03, then up to 30 minutes, because that's what your setting says, rolls back to 9 o'clock. And these are in minutes. There are examples for each of these settings and how you can use them. Once you've done this, you just go ahead and save it. And then if I come back into my rounding rules, I'll be able to see that there is a new rounding rule. I can simply click that and update the shift. That means rounding rule set number 3 gets applied to the shift rounding. Now, I can imagine that if you have multiple shifts, this is going to be a time-consuming task to go ahead and do this for each and every user. So for this reason, what we also have is the option to create these shift templates and then assign it to the user. The way you would do that is you go into our shifts and schedules, and over here you can see all the templates that have been created. You can either edit any one of these or add a new shift. And what you do is simply click on that shift template and then go ahead and create all your rules out here. And every time you assign the default shift to any user, then these default rules get copied onto that particular user shift, which you can either edit or you can edit the main template itself. And this is a general overview of our time rounding and how it works. My name is Basil. I'm the founder with ClockIt, and we help companies do payroll in 5 minutes.